afternoon, children. How are you? I hope are you fine. Today we will study about cells for class 7. First point is definition. Second one is function, types, diagram, parts of a cell. There are 5 topics which we described in this class. Definition. A cell is the smallest unit of life. Cells are the building blocks of plants and animals. What is the function of cell? Second point is function. It is the building blocks of plants and animals. And third point is types. The cells are mainly of 2 types, plant cell and animal cell. Diagram of cell. This is animal cell. What is the organelles of animal cell? First one is cell membrane. Second one is cytoplasm. Third one is nucleus. Fourth one mitochondria. And fifth vacuole. This is small in size. Vacuole is small in size in animal cell. And second diagram is plant cell. This is cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, jelly-like material, cytoplasm, nucleus, chloroplast, mitochondria, vacuole. What? Large vacuole in plant cell. Fifth point is parts of a cell. There are 7 parts of a cell. First one is cell membrane. The thin outer covering of the cell is called cell membrane. Function. It protects the cell and also controls the passage of materials which go into the cell organelle or go out from the cell. Second one is cytoplasm. The jelly-like material which fills the cell is called cytoplasm. Function. It fills the cell. Cytoplasm. The function of cytoplasm is to carry out all the activities of life process. And third one is a large spherical structure floating in the center of a cell which is called the nucleus. And function of nucleus. It controls all the activities of the cell. Fourth one is mitochondria. A number of small bodies called mitochondria which is present in the cell. Function of mitochondria. The function of mitochondria is to carry out respiration for releasing energy from food. Fifth one is vacuoles. There are tiny air space in the cytoplasm of an animal cell which are called vacuoles. The function of vacuoles, it hold air, water or particles of food. Sixth one is cell wall. It is present in the plant cell which is tough. Function of cell wall. It protects the cell, gives it a fixed shape and makes it rigid. And last one is chloroplast. It contains chlorophyll and make food in green plants by the process of photosynthesis. And function of chloroplast is It is present in the plant cell which helps in the process of photosynthesis. This topic is over. We will discuss next class.